Is there something running quietly in your blood, and could it be a silent killer? It's high cholesterol, the leading cause of stroke, heart attack, diabetes, and even early dementia in the elderly. Sounds scary? Because it's painless, has no obvious signs, but can take away your independence, health, and longevity. In just a few years if not controlled promptly. So what to eat to reduce cholesterol, and more importantly, increase good cholesterol to protect the heart, memory, and independent life after 50? Not medicine, not a strict diet, but 6 familiar, easy to find, cheap foods recommended by doctors in Japan and the US. Watch this video until the end, because if you just add these foods to your daily meals, you can change your blood test results in just a few weeks. Now let's explore each food together, starting with an ingredient that you often use, but may never know that it is so powerful in fighting blood fat. Let's single quotes as start with onions, the overlooked natural anti-inflammatory. Onions, the forgotten natural anti-inflammatory. In the kitchen, onions may be just a normal ingredient in the kitchen, but for Japanese and American doctors, they are considered a natural shield to help prevent atherosclerosis, the main cause of stroke and heart attack. The secret lies in a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called quercetin. This active ingredient has been proven to reduce inflammation in the blood vessel walls, thereby preventing bad cholesterol from sticking to the vessel walls, one of the main causes of sudden stroke in the elderly. But here's something that few people know: if you cook onions too much, all of this precious active ingredient will disappear. Experts recommend eating raw in salads or stir-fried quickly over low heat. A small change, but a huge impact. So with just a simple onion, you can protect the blood vessel wall, the first layer of armor for the heart. But onions are just the beginning. To clean the blood of bad cholesterol more powerfully, you need a food that is considered a natural antibiotic of the blood vessels, something you may have forgotten in the kitchen cupboard. Garlic. Garlic, natural antibiotic for the cardiovascular system. Garlic is not just a spice, it is called a natural cholesterol-lowering drug by cardiovascular experts from the US to Japan. 2016 analysis of 8 large studies found that eating garlic daily can lower blood pressure by 7 to 16 mHg and total cholesterol by 7.4 to 29.8 milligrams DL, a number that's almost as effective as some prescription drugs. With just 1 clove of garlic a day, you're adding years to your heart's lifespan. You can use fresh crushed garlic in dipping sauces, stir-fries, or salads. It's important to let the garlic rest for a few minutes after chopping so that the allicin enzyme, the precious active ingredient, is fully activated. A clove of garlic a day, regularly, silently helps lower cholesterol and blood pressure. To maximize the effect, both reducing bad fat and nurturing good cholesterol, you need to add another friendly fat. A smooth, delicious dish that has been hailed as a superfood for the heart: avocado. Avocado food for a healthy heart. Delicious, easy to eat, and extremely effective. That's why Japanese experts often advise patients with high cholesterol to eat avocados instead of taking medication right from the start. Avocados contain monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol (LDL), reduce triglycerides, and increase good cholesterol (HDL), a substance that helps clean blood vessels and prevent strokes. Some studies have even shown that eating avocados every morning can give better results than taking low-dose statins. The easiest way is to make a low-sugar avocado smoothie or an avocado salad with onions, both delicious and healing without much effort. Avocados not only help reduce blood fat, but also enhance memory and slow down the aging process of blood vessels. But this journey doesn't stop there. There is something that seems to be just a spice, but actually contains active ingredients that help burn visceral fat, improve circulation, and increase natural metabolism. that is chili. Not just a spice, but a medicine that burns fat and protects blood vessels. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a compound that gives them their spicy taste and is also a powerful anti-inflammatory. Many studies show that capsaicin can help reduce visceral fat accumulation, prevent atherosclerosis, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of stroke. Chili peppers are good, but not for everyone. If you have stomach pain, reflux, or are in perimenopause, be careful. Eating too much spicy food can increase the heat in the body and discomfort. If you like, you only need to use 1 to 2 slices of fresh chili peppers per day in a dipping sauce, which is enough for the body to receive the benefits. Capsaicin in chili peppers can activate the mechanism of reducing inflammation, improving blood pressure, and increasing fat metabolism. However, if you want to go further, nourish the cardiovascular system in the long term, regenerate the flexibility of the blood vessel walls. Then come with me to the food group known as natural tonic for the heart. Fatty fish rich in omega-3. Fatty fish, omega-3 treasure for smooth blood vessels. Nothing beats fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and herring, foods that are considered cardiovascular insurance in the famous Mediterranean diet. These fish are rich in omega-3, which helps reduce blood fats, lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and prevent heart attacks. According to research on tens of thousands of heart patients, just 2 meals of fish a week can reduce your risk of heart disease by up to 30%. No need to be too fussy. A meal of grilled salmon, steamed tuna, or lightly fried herring is enough to make a big difference to your health. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and herring have been shown to be effective in hundreds of cardiovascular studies, but not everyone has the means to eat fish regularly. Fortunately, there is another great option: delicious, convenient, easy to carry, and especially suitable for the elderly. That is omega-3 rich nuts such as walnuts, macadamia nuts, almonds. Nuts. Healthy snacks. Don't underestimate walnuts, macadamia nuts, almonds, cashews are not only delicious but also a natural bank of omega-3. They help reduce bad cholesterol, increase good cholesterol, and prevent fat accumulation in blood vessel walls, but only when you eat them properly. Salted, roasted, sugared, or honeyed types can make you take in more salt and sugar, increasing blood pressure and blood sugar. So choose whole, unprocessed nuts. Eat as a snack or sprinkle on salad every day. These small nuts seem like just snacks, but they are contributing to keeping blood vessels clean, reducing bad cholesterol, and nourishing the heart every day. And so, we have gone through 6 simple foods that can change both blood test results and quality of life. Finally, every meal is a healthy choice. I used to be a fan of fried foods, red meat, and soft drinks. One day, the doctor said, "Your blood lipid index is high. If you don't change, the risk of stroke is very high." I panicked. But I didn't want to live on drugs. I chose onions, garlic, avocado, fatty fish. And 3 months later, my test results dropped 22 points of cholesterol without any pills. You can do it too. Starting today. Review this list of 6 foods and start making small changes in your meals. Your body will thank you after a few weeks. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest shares from the experts. And don't forget, share this video with your loved ones who are also interested in heart health. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video to the end. Wishing you good health. Every day is a small step towards a healthy and peaceful body. See you in the next video.